Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can enroll into the CIT bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.cit.com and hit enter. Once the home page of the CIT bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see a open account button. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the open account button, you'll be further guided to another page. In this page you'll have to find the open account now button, which is located on the left hand side of your screen, and click on it. Once you click on the Open Account Now button, you'll be further guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to tick and fill in some credentials. Firstly, you'll have to tick one of the options here. You'll have to select the product type here and then select one of the options here and then click on the Continue option. Once you click on the Continue option, you'll be further guided to another page which will help you to enroll into the CIT bank. I hope this video helped you to enroll into the CIT bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.